Hey, I'm working here with a Hatfield SAS 20, the 20 gauge semi-automatic shotgun. I've removed the recoil pad. You can see I've added some lead weights in the back on an earlier modification, and that's helped tame the recoil quite a bit. It's put a lot of the weight right here in the back, and I like how it's shifted the center of gravity back to somewhere right around here. And so I've got the stock recoil pad off, and I was experimenting. I wanted to try a EEZ recoil pad. They're quite a bit heavier and a lot thicker. And one thing that's real convenient, extremely convenient for me, is that the holes for the pads are exactly the same. So I don't need to re-drill, plug these holes and re-drill them. I can simply just screw this pad right in there and trim it. So that's very convenient to have, this EEZ pad fits right in place. So I'm going to go ahead and install it in here. I've had to grind some of my weight back. It was on this recoil pad, there was a little bit of a recess here, and I was allowed to let some weight stick over the edge. But on this one here, I can see there's a little I need to remove still. So that'll fit flush. So I've got the screws installed, and I'm going to start one here. The screws are actually the same diameter too. It's very convenient in this case. And what I'm thinking about doing, I think I'm just going to use the gun like it is with the recoil pad not trimmed before I even trim it. I know it won't look right, but having a larger recoil pad might, it seems to me to make sense. It spreads the load out over a greater area. And I think I'm going to try that. I'm also going to install another recoil pad on an over and undershot gun I have, just to get an idea how the recoil pad works in general. And that's a 12 gauge over and under. So these screws go right in, and this thing is ready to go. I'm not that worried about trimming it. I will do it maybe. I don't really care. I usually, when I'm shooting clays, I'm out in the woods anyway, and I actually kind of like it being bigger. But I might trim it down if once I've used it a while. So there you go. That's the Hatfield SAS 20. The EEZ recoil pad bolts right in place. They say you can, scribe it and use a bandsaw and trim it and get it down. But to me, it makes sense to have it big. Technically, I believe it's better if it's larger, even though it looks funky. So there you go. I'm going to try it and let you know how it works. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.